Mommy's recording. Leave me alone. Kids. Excuse you.
Excuse birth.
Silly girl. Hi guys, DAZZLE here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so I know it's been a while, so bear with me. You know, for those of you who are new here, I am currently in my third trimester. I'm about to give birth probably this month in a couple of weeks, and let me show you my belly for those of you who has not seen it yet. So this is currently me at the moment. How are you guys? I know it's been a month since my last video, and I'm so sorry about that, but yeah, I'm here, and for some reason this pregnancy, it's been a roller coaster to me. It's like I always have I have this moment all the time, like each and every day. It's like it's taking a toll on me. Like I'm always have this burst of emotions that I can't explain, and this past month it's been like that, you know. So I'm so sorry if I haven't posted any video. Before we get started, actually, while I was filming this, FedEx came knocking on my door because I ordered something that I forgot, I think 2-3 weeks ago, and it is from Shein, and I think I ordered like not too much, but I did quite a lot. Ordered something from the website, I think before Black Friday or during Black Friday, around that time. But let me show you what I got for a moment. This is it right here. I got this I've been ordering a lot of like clothes online because I can't go to the mall and, you know, browse around and walk around because my stomach is heavy and I do have cramps, pain. So yeah, that explains a lot. So what I got is this let me show you quickly. It's a set, so it's like a, you know, like this is the pants, and I've been buying like a larger size lately because my stomach is huge. And yeah, it is a matching pair, something comfortable that I can wear, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna use this during Christmas. It's a long sleeve. I might use this after I give birth, maybe, because I do have a matching one. Not really exactly matching, but Shein for kids. This is for my daughter. She's 7, so, but her body is a bit small actually. But hopefully this fits her. So not exactly the same color as mine, but it's close. So that's that. And I also have this same, almost the same color for the baby. It is not from Shein, but I got this from, I don't know where I got it from. Anyways, I think I ordered it online, I'm not sure. But this is so cute. Look at this one. So I figured, you know what, I'll just wait until I give birth and maybe we can do like a matching photo shoot. Or I ordered more than this one because I ordered 2 different days. I think it was like a Thursday and then a Friday, like a Black Friday. And yeah, I'm just hoping those things that I ordered from Shein will come in, if not today, the rest of it tomorrow, because I can't wait to see them. And those clothes that I order are like large and extra large, and they are pretty much like home clothes and sets, because I need those. I need bigger clothes with this big tummy. So yeah, that's that. I was just excited to show you guys what I received today while I was filming this video. But anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing or talking about this product that I received from, it's been almost a month now, and I only got to video it today, so I'm so sorry about that. But anyways, it is a gel nail polish. This is a vegan. It's called Nail Addict, and it's based off Los Angeles. And they sent me 5, actually, yeah, 5, including top coat, base coat, and the colors. Let me see here, and the top coat. Yeah, I did mention top coat. I also have the remover. So I have the remover, the top coat. Okay, so this is the top coat, and I have the remover, and I have this is the base, Okay, and then the color that I chose is the Do Me a Favor, which is right here. And I have the Temptation, which is a bit lighter than the last one I have, which is this one right here, this color, this baby pinkish. So that's that. And I'm gonna link their website down below so you can check them out. And they also gave me the mini UV LED lamp, this one right here. So this is how it looks like. Nail Addict says. See how cute this is. So tiny and compact. And there's different kind of their website, so you can check them out online. So yeah, so what I like about this product is that it is vegan. They don't test it in animals. They're cruelty free, and it is good for you. It's non-toxic. It is healthy and non-toxic. So that's what I like about that. I did a quick video, I think a couple weeks ago. I did put it on my nails. So for those of you who does your own nail, good at it, this is perfect for you because you can do your nails anytime at home. And as for me, I don't do my nail. I go to nail salon, and I did it with this gel polish. And let me tell you what, my left hand nails were okay, but my right hand was like, you know. So I only got to do my left hand, which is I know it's kind of weird. All right, so you would start with the base first with your nail, obviously. And after you put the base, you would have to treat it at the UV light, which is the one that came with it. Just turn it on, and it is pretty much, you just turn on one button, and yeah, and it'll turn off about 30 seconds, I think. And yeah, and after you put the base, then you can put whichever color you prefer. So yes, it says on the bottle or the instruction that it is one coat. Then you treat it at the you treat it on the UV light, and then if you want a second coat, then you treat it on the UV light again. All right, so after the main gel polish, you put the top coat over after you treat it at the UV light. Okay, so after that you put the top coat. This is the final step. And then after you put the top coat, then you have to do the UV light again to kind of like seal everything that is, you know, so that way you will have a nice nail, I would say. Alright, that is it, you guys. I hope you like this short videos, and yeah, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, I'll see you next time.